Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Tonkatsu is a beloved Japanese dish, a crispy, golden brown pork cutlet that's incredibly satisfying. Imagine biting into tender pork encased in a perfectly crunchy crust. It's surprisingly simple to master, and you can achieve restaurant-quality results right in your own kitchen. We'll guide you through each essential step, ensuring your tonkatsu is absolutely delicious every time. Let's get cooking and transform a simple pork cutlet into something truly special. For the perfect tonkatsu, preparation is key, starting with your pork loin. Use a boneless cut, about 1 inch thick, and make small incisions around the edges. This simple trick prevents the cutlet from curling up in the hot oil. Next, place each piece between 2 sheets of plastic wrap and gently pound them until they are about 1/2 inch thick. This tenderizes the meat beautifully and ensures even cooking throughout. The secret to tonkatsu's incredible crunch lies in its breading. You'll need 3 shallow dishes, one with all-purpose flour, one with beaten eggs, and one with traditional Japanese panko breadcrumbs. First, lightly coat each pork cutlet in flour, shaking off any excess. Next, dip it into the egg wash, allowing extra to drip off. Finally, press the cutlet firmly into the panko, ensuring every inch is generously covered. This creates that iconic golden crust. Now it's time to fry your tonkatsu to a beautiful golden crisp. Heat at least 2 inches of neutral oil in a deep pan or pot to 340 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully slide 1 or 2 breaded cutlets into the hot oil, ensuring not to overcrowd the pan. Fry each side for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's perfectly golden brown and cooked through. Drain any excess oil on a wire rack to maintain its crispiness. Once your tonkatsu is fried and beautifully golden, it's time to serve. Let it rest for a minute, then slice it into 1-inch strips, making it easy to pick up with chopsticks or a fork. Traditionally, tonkatsu is served on a bed of finely shredded cabbage, which offers a refreshing contrast. Drizzle it generously with tangy tonkatsu sauce and perhaps a side of rice. Enjoy your homemade, perfectly crispy tonkatsu. It's a delicious taste of Japan.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.